Hey guys, it's Josh from Tuff here. We're back with our latest giveaway, this blue VR SS with a built LS1 and bags all around. Come take a look. The VR is running GTSR style 20-inch wheels, front and back. This car has a custom bag setup, and in the boot, we've got the Airlift performance tank setup with the air tank, the twin compressors and the hard lines. And then supporting that is twin 10-inch subs. All right, so taking a look in the engine bay, we've got the built LS1 with the high-rise manifold. We've got a shaved bay, and this really sets the standard for this car. Have a listen to how good this thing sounds. This giveaway will be drawn live via our socials on Friday, the 23rd of September. We've capped this at only 3,500 entrants, and triple entries are available for the first 2 weeks. So make sure you head to our website, tuffstreeters.com.au to get your entries now.